welcome to Dubai Festival. And today we're gonna go to that slime shop. Well, actually, it's like we're gonna make slime. I'm excited. I love slime. Let's go. It's right over there. Come on.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna make some slime or something here. Hello.
Oh yeah.
Being friendly to them.
Where? This one?
Yes.
Slime making workshop.
Yes.
Vlog siya.
I want to.
Later? Later only you will see.
Just take this here.
Oh yes.
My second time. Because I did the video about slime. This is my second time.
First things first.
Ano yan, te? Ay,
Okay. So first, take some pressure.
So if you touch the slime, it's gonna be clean.
You can touch it later then. First, we're gonna do your slime. My shaving foam.
So that is fluffy slime.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I have liquid slime also, but I want to finish this first.
what's that, ate? Glue?
Blue. White blue. What is that?
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
And wait, let me just get the
And that is
lotion.
Oh, to make it soft.
lotion.
For the
Lotion
scent
make
also.
it what's this? Soft. Oh, gooey.
And that is
Shaving foam
Wait, I need to shake it more.
to make the slime soft.
okay. Really? Do you know how to do the slime? We'll find out.
So, finish na siya.
90% off eh.
Sakto lang yung shaving foam sa dulo pag naubos.
Put this up.
Yeah, okay. Now this is enough.
That's enough. Okay.
Okay, you can start mixing it.
Yeah. Mix. I put this up so it won't be messy.
So for the colors, we'll be using food coloring, okay? So I've got yellow. Actually, this is comes out like pink.
Food coloring.
Yeah, I want pink. Pink.
So you want pink. Why pink? I thought your favorite color is blue.
Okay.
I know. Pink. Mix. I love pink.
Okay.
I know. I love blue too.
So which color do you like the most? Blue or pink?
Elsa. So comes up blue.
Okay.
Activator.
Exactly.
What's that?
Activator.
Wow, activator.
Ano na siya slime.
Activator.
Put a little bit.
Bit by bit.
Yeah. So you can make sure.
Uh-huh.
It's turning together.
Yan ang cake ah.
Yeah.
Cupcake ba yan?
Yeah, cupcake.
Oh.
Little bit more. It's sticking together now.
Wow.
What is your YouTube page?
Rianne Sep TeeVee.
Rianne
Sep TeeVee.
Sep. How do you spell your Rianne? R-H-R?
Rianne SEPTEEV.
Okay. Thanks, I will get her. I will follow you, huh? Subscribe you.
Thank you.
May mga vloggers din kami na Arabic dito na nagpupunta eh.
Oo. Nag-ano din ng slime.
Pinapollow ko din sila.
Wait, I have to get all of them.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow, wow.
Later we put in the glitter.
Wow.
Once it's
I
almost
thought
done.
you were gonna like put glitter and then now you're gonna put like that.
It's up to you. You want the end or now it's okay.
I want to put it. I have to get the
Let me check. So sticky. You wanna play by your hand later on?
yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
No, slime na.
It's okay, but it's still sticky. For
Wala yung slime na.
Yeah.
Kanina di ba parang ano lang siya?
Glue.
ano pa lang siya.
Ah, see? Nakagawa ka rin ng slime sa
After
wakas.
this I can
See? Just keep it aside.
yeah.
But for now, give me your hands. Rub it with your other hand. Huh? Okay. But if it's still sticky, we'll be putting some drops of the activator.
Yay! Yay! I miss slime.
Why, when was the last time you did?
A year.
A year ago?
Yeah.
That's so long.
Like we bought it from noon.
Yeah, the materials.
You bought it from noon. Where is your slime now?
It turns into a rock.
All the time it turns out to be like that later on.
Kinda sticky. It's good.
Wow.
Sabi yung mga last one.
Ah.
Tapos, di ba na iba nilagyan ng mga silver dust para may yun?
Ano
Yeah.
pa?
Glitter.
Glitter.
Glitter sa lagyan namin yan.
Pwede yan daw lagyan ng ano? Graba?
Java.
It's like this one, the cement.
Wow,
Yeah.
Rianne.
A little bit sticky. Okay. I think that should be enough.
Ah, okay.
Because
So
it's
the
kinda
activator is
sticky.
the most important ingredients.
If you put too much,
yeah, it
It's
will
done.
like gonna turn into like water.
no, actually the foam. If you put
Oh, really? It. Oh,
But
okay.
the activator
okay
is kind
now.
of make it hard.
Yeah.
The more you're putting it, the more it will become harder.
There. So good now.
Yes.
It doesn't stick in my hand.
Yes.
Very good, Rianne.
Okay, usually I'm letting them pick one color, but I will let you get two
Ah,
colors.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So which color you like?
Maybe it will not show this much, huh? So if you
Maybe
want, better
the
pick
darker one.
Oh, okay. And
Okay, one more.
silver.
First, put this first. Pour it in your stick.
Sparkles.
Then you do this.
Ah, okay, silver and blue.
Yeah. That's a good combination.
Mix it again. No, but it's okay. Just wanted to see if the glitter is enough. Because if it's not, then we'll have to put more.
Color. What more?
May I see?
Spray it more.
I can see it. Yay! I did it. Yeah.
Very good, Rianne.
Are you happy?
Yeah. I don't.
Finally,
So,
you made a slime.
Yeah.
Lagyan mo dyan.
Yay.
a balloon out of this.
Okay.
I did the slime! I did it!
Show it to me. Show it to them. Wow. With glitters.
Yeah, I'm gonna play it on the container. Keep it like this.
Thank you!
Now I have to pay. So just
How much is that?
25.
25 dirhams?
Yeah,
You have your own money?
yeah.
Wow. She has her own money.
20.
20 and then
5 more.
Did you save all those money that you have?
Yeah.
Good, girl.
only for the slime.
Only for the slime.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mind giving me your YouTube name?
Yeah.
Ang YouTube channel, ibigay mo sa kanya para mag-subscribe yung
Okay, I'll do it.
You know,
you know,
take your slime. Let's go.
her mobile in order for her to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Wait,
Guys, now you know how to make slime.
Yeah. Yeah. If you put too much activator, it will be like break. So like fast.
Rianne?
Oh.
Try this one. At least I won't forget it.
Wow.
See? I will tell my friends also, huh?
Macy.
You have the face.
Thank you.
Welcome. And thank you also for the slime.
Thank you also.
Bye-bye. See you again next time.
See ya!
See you too.
You can come anytime because we'll be open until next month. So if you want to do some slime again, maybe next time we will do the liquid slime.
Yeah, the jiggly one.
Yeah, not really. Actually, it's a liquid but the clear one.
Oh, there's another version of the slime.
There's a lot of version of it.
Oh, okay.
There's butter slime, ice cream slime.
More, way harder to make.
Yeah, you need a lot.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye guys, thank you for watching and hope you learn how to make slime too. Thank you guys. Stay safe.
Slime?